Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the abstract class. An abstract class is an incomplete class which can be declared by the keyword abstract. Sometimes superclass is so general and less specific, so it contains only some lists of the features of the other class. Then such a superclass is referred as abstract class. Abstract class can't create an object. It contains one or more abstract method. There is no any constructor or no any static method for abstract class. This is the general form of the abstract class. Here the abstract is the keyword. Class is also a keyword. Class name is the name of abstract class. Then body. In the body part we can define abstract method. Now let's take a look at the abstract method. An abstract method is a method that is declared without an implementation. This is the syntax of abstract method. Abstract is a keyword, return type may be void or any other primitive type, and then method name. Here there is no body in the abstract method. To clarify your idea about the abstract, let's go through the example. This is the example of abstract class. Here the class A is the abstract class and method show is abstract method. In this method there is no body in abstract class. We know that we can't create object for class A, which is abstract class, so we have to inherit the class A. So here is the inheritance. Class B extends A, which means class B is the subclass of class A. Here class A is superclass. Now we can implement the abstract method of class A. This is the implementation part. Now here comes our main class. Abstract example. Here the obj is the object of class B and which calls the method show. Now let's take a look at the output. This is the output of our program. This is the example of abstract class. I hope now you have clear idea about the abstract class. Thank you.